I want to transform this metal spinner into a Halloween project. I found this spinner at the Dollar Tree. Look at this. I like it. It's all pumpkins. Now I want to turn these pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. It'll be fantastic for the Halloween season. I have some acrylic paint that I want to use on these. I have the orange glow paint. I have black, and then I have brown oxide uh, just to do accents and the faces and such. And then, of course, because it's a Halloween project, we have to add some glow paint. It's a must. Now, let's see. What I want to do is coat everything with the glow paint first, and then I will continue decorating from there. Well, it's going to look really good when I'm done, hopefully. Let's give this a try. this is what I have now. Look at that. Jack-o'-lanterns. I like it. Cute. Now, I do have a slight situation. So here's the handle for my spinner. So if I tighten this big piece right here in the middle, you see how wonky it looks? I want this center to stay up like this. So I'm going to put some glue on here. I do have some E6000. I think that will work. I need to put it on the back of the big jack-o'-lantern there, so I need to straighten it back up a little bit. I need a helper. I do have the black glue, so you know, I guess you can use a clear one too. It all works the same, right? I'm going to put this right here where the two pieces meet. Hopefully that will keep it in place. Maybe a little bit on each side of the knob. I think that'll be good. Let me turn this back over. Let me turn that. Oh, there we go. Glue's already setting. I grabbed some spiders. Look, these are gem spiders. They used to be like rings. I just trimmed that off. I want to add like a little bit here and there. I think I'm gonna put one right there. See? Grab some more spiders. I think this will help my spinner too. It'll sparkle as it spins, right? I think this one, I'll put it right there. Maybe if I do like skip each one, that way I'll kind of have like an even coverage of sparkles. There's that one. A couple more. There. And here. And then I have a purple one, I think. You know, kind of distract from all the orange color, right? And I'm going to put that on the leaf right here. That's good. I like it. I hope you like this idea and that you give it a try. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.